What's up guys, Matt from Faema Canada here. Today we're making a classic lemon drop with Fabbri's lemon syrup. This is going to be a very unique, citrusy, refreshing cocktail. Can't wait to show you this one. A typical lemon drop will have vodka, orange liqueur, lemon juice, and a simple syrup. However, we're going to combine the best of both those worlds by having Fabbri's lemon syrup really bring that amazing bright citrus flavor. These syrup bottles really just take the thinking out of it for any bartender, and with these easy spouts, it's so easy to use and pour. It just makes my life so much easier when making cocktails. You really can't go wrong with Fabbri syrups. So for our first step, we're going to be adding in 1 ounce of our lemon Fabbri syrup. This might seem like a lot, but with typical ratios, because we're combining the simple and the lemon juice all in one with this amazing syrup, we're going to use 1 ounce. For our core spirit, we're going to be adding in 2 ounces of vodka. This is typical with any lemon drop martini recipe. Up next, we're going to be adding in our orange liqueur. We're going to be putting in 3/4 of an ounce. And to really double down on those orange and lemon flavors, I'm going to be adding in 2 dashes of orange bitters as well for our martini. So before we start shaking our cocktail with ice, it's really important that you have a nice chilled glass for your martini because this is served neat. So for those who don't know, neat means served without ice, and because we chill the glass, it's going to keep our drink colder for longer. So I'm going to add some ice into our martini glass and then pour just a little bit of water in there as well. And I'm going to put this off to the side while I finish the rest of the drink. So now I'm going to add ice to our lemon drop. We're going to do 2 scoops. And now we're going to give it a nice shake. And we're going to double strain this into our cocktail glass. So we're going to double strain because we don't want any ice shards to get in our drink, and this is going to really make sure that we have a nice consistent texture throughout our cocktail that's served neat. Okay, for our garnish, we're going to be using a dehydrated lemon. I'm just going to put that right in the middle, right on top. And there you have it. That's our lemon drop martini. Cheers. Thank you for watching. For more interesting content, check out our Instagram page at Faema_Canada. And for all your Fabbri product needs, check out our website, faema.ca.